Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of PayKickstart. So let me take you to the website, which is paykickstart.com. For the ones who don't know about them, PayKickstart is a subscription billing checkout, affiliate management, and revenue optimization platform used by SaaS companies, course creators, coaches, agencies, and digital product sellers. The platform has processed over 1 billion in transactions and powered thousands of online businesses worldwide. So what are you waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and see if you want to start promoting them as an affiliate or if you want to use them. That's totally up to you. And why would you want to promote them as an affiliate? Of course, to receive commission. So how much commission can you get as an affiliate, and who can join the affiliate program? To the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? So let's talk about the commission first. You can expect to receive 25% recurring commission. That's amazing. And about the location restrictions, no restrictions found. So regardless of your location or the location of your traffic, you will still be able to receive commission from PayKickstart, assuming you're bringing revenue or other sales to them. So how do you sign up as an affiliate to PayKickstart? For that, simply look at the menu bar and hover over resources. From here, click on affiliate sign up. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can enter the details and proceed further. Now, all the information I'm going to mention here, that will be dummy just for the education purpose. In your case, ensure you're putting the information correctly. So I'm going to start with the first name as shown, last name as LNU, followed by the email address. Ensure you're giving the email address that you have access to. Then ensure you read data processing agreements, vendor agreement, affiliate agreement, and terms of use. Followed by that, tick mark this that you have read it, and then click on create my account. What it will do, it will create your account and will take you further. As you can see, affiliate account created. And you're almost there. We have sent a confirmation link to this email address. Please check your inbox and check the link to verify your email to activate your account. So you can log into the given email address and you can refresh it. There might be an email, as you can see, PayKickstart. Click on the email. Over there will be verify email. Click on the button and it will take you further. You can wait for it, give it a few seconds for it to load up the details. Once the details are loaded, it will ask you to complete your affiliate profile. This is extremely important. So click on complete my profile now, and over here it will take you to the complete your affiliate profile onboarding window. Over here you can click on get started, and if you look at here, it starts from personal information to wallet setup to marketplace experience to notification preference, and then take pay kickstart on the go. So you can choose your time zone, language preference, currency. So I'm going with all that is already selected. That's up to you if you want to change it. Mobile number, that's optional. Slack email, Microsoft Teams email, that's also optional. Brief bio, so ensure you write something good about you, and that will help you as well to stay affiliated with PayKickstart. I'm just going to mention some dummy ticks in here, but ensure you write something good about you. And then you got websites and social profiles. So wherever you intend to promote them, ensure you type in the website URL in here. Since I'm going to promote them on YouTube, so I'm going to keep it blank. But in case if you plan to promote them on website, LinkedIn, Facebook, or X, you can enter the URLs here accordingly. Then click on save and continue. It will take you to the second step, which is wallet setup. This is also important. As you can see, select your preferred payout method below. Based on your choice, you'll be asked for a few additional details. This is about, let's say you started bringing sales to them, and this is a time for you to receive accumulated commission. So there should be a payment method, correct? So this is where you update your payment method. So let's say if you want to go with PayPal, then you must give your PayPal email address. If you want to go with a bank account, give your bank account details. So that's up to you which payment method you want to choose and give the information accordingly. As of now, you got bank account, Payoneer, PayPal, or check. I'm going to skip this for now. Rather, I'm going to save and continue, which will take me to the step number 3 and show you complete these 2 steps like we were talking about. Now here, tailor your marketplace experience. Pay Kickstart, you can promote them. Also, you can promote the vendors available with them. I mean, different creators that you want to promote to earn commission. And it's important that you update your marketplace experience too. What level affiliate are you? I could say I'm an expert, so go with the one that you feel like is more suited. Which niche do you promote? So let's say I'm more into education. You can choose for yourself accordingly. What price points do you typically promote? Like I'm more into, let's say, mid-ticket. So you go with the promotion amount that you usually go for. What's the size of your following? So I'm gonna go with between 6,000 to 10,000 total reach all channel. Let's say I'm gonna go with 20,000. So you can also choose your email list size if, in case if you have any, or total reach for all channels that includes your website, social media, or any other traffic you might have. Then you can click on save and continue. You can choose your preference. So commission notification, if you want to receive product updates, you want to receive, followed by that, you can click on save and continue. And then you have an option to download an app for Pay Kickstart as well using both this QR code. This is for iOS and this is for Android. Then click on save and continue. Once that's done, it will ask you, take me to my affiliate account. You have an option to start the free trial with PayKickstart. That's up to you if you want to start with this option or if you want to schedule a call with them. But for now, let's just click on no thanks, take me to my affiliate account. It will take you to your affiliate dashboard. Ensure you save this link because this is a link that will help you to log into your affiliate account with PayKickstart. Now, once here, since we already have updated our profile, if you look at the top right hand side, if you click here, you can go to my profile and update any details that you prefer. Let's say down the line, if you want to relog into your affiliate account with PayKickstart, how would you do that? I get it. You got the URL, but what about the username and password? You still don't have it. If you look at your email account, you might see login credentials. So this is the email which will have your login credential. You might want to keep it safe, maybe update your password just for security. And using this credential, you can always log into the account. But once you are on the dashboard, how do you start promoting PayKickstart? For that, you have to come to the website again, the homepage of PayKickstart. This time, hover over resources and click on partner program. And it will take you to the section. Over here, you can click on become an affiliate partner. So we were talking about the commission rate, as you can see here, on 25% commission, and that's recurring. That's awesome. And these are all the different things that you can read for your understanding. And over here, ensure you click on request to promote. It will take you further, but you might want to avoid taking the steps before what we followed earlier. So first, you want to create your account, the affiliate account, and you want to update your profile, then you should be following that. Once here, you can read these details, scroll down, and over here, you can leave a message to the vendor. In our case, you're talking about Pay Kickstart, and click on Request to Promote. When you do that, your application to the Pay Kickstart team would go. It will show them that you are interested to promote them, and you will see pending approval. And if you go to your dashboard, let's refresh it. And if you go to the affiliate link section over here, you will be able to see Pay Kickstart program that we apply to, and you can see it's still showing at this clock icon, meaning we're still pending for them to approve. Once they have approved our application, we would be able to click them in here and we would be able to start promoting them. So this is how you can apply to promote Pay Kickstart, but first you have to wait for them to review and approve you accordingly. Now, let's say you got the approval and you got the link that you would be able to find in this section. The next question arises, how can you promote Kickstart? There are plenty of ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you know how to promote them, maybe on homepage, category page, that's up to you. Blog could be great here as well. You might want to write blog posts on Pay Kickstart, maybe different vendors of Pay Kickstart, and share your tracking link of Pay Kickstart accordingly. You also got options like maybe you might want to create content related to SaaS reviews. I mean, like software as a service kind of reviews, or check out software comparison, include a Pay Kickstart in there. And you also got like subscription billing guides to maybe promote Pay Kickstart this way. Don't forget to put your tracking link accordingly. You also got social media. On social media, you might want to promote them on LinkedIn, Twitter, or rather X, YouTube, Facebook business groups could also work. But as I said, don't forget to mention the tracking link. Then you also got software as a service website. These kind of websites are great to promote vendors or brands like PayKickstart. Maybe feature them on these websites if you have such a website available where you plan to promote them. There are other best suited websites as well, such as software review website, online business website, or Martech website. That's up to you as an affiliate what kind of website you have available, or if you rather want to have those websites, start promoting them. That's totally up to you. But here's a problem that most of the affiliates face. Promoting any brand is not a big deal, but the big problem is how do you get the right traffic that actually converts? So for you, I've mentioned top three traffic sources for Pay Kickstart. You might want to get traffic from YouTube. Maybe you might want to create YouTube tutorials or rather software reviews, or maybe do software as a service, tools kind of comparison and feature Pay Kickstart there, and then put your online presence or rather your tracking link directly with your YouTube content. You might want to focus on Google SEO as well. What I mean by that, let's say if you're creating any content on PayKickstart, you might want to keep it SEO friendly, specifically Google SEO friendly. You might want to target keywords like subscription billing software or checkout software related keywords. Then you also got LinkedIn. So on LinkedIn, you might want to feature them as B2B software or might want to target agency audiences. That's up to you. But through these way, you can get better traffic that actually converts for brands like PayKickstart. All right, so this is how you can promote them and you can bring traffic to them. The next question, where we just see your performance. For that, you can come to the affiliate dashboard once again and click on the logo. Once you're on the affiliate dashboard, over here you would be able to see your net commission, gross commission, refunds, and denied. This is good. And then you got sales summary, traffic summary, and payment frequency as well. Top performing products too. And then you also got reports. You can click on reports. You can go to any of these reports, run it for your understanding. You can also click on commission to see your commission, and you can also go to payouts to track commission payouts sent to vendors. And then you got other things as well that you could review for your reference. Apart from it, if you look at the top right hand side, you also get this icon. If you click here, it's a marketplace icon and it will take you to the marketplace list. Now, all these you see, these are different vendors. You have an option not just to promote PayKickstart, you can promote these creators as well, a lot of vendors. You click on view offers and let's see what they are providing. So how to create journals, planners, and notebook. So if you're going to promote this of this creator, which is like a vendor to PayKickstart, you could get 50% commission and 5% commission moving forward as well. So these are some of the vendors that you have an option to promote. And to promote, you simply click on promote and then we'll take you further. Over here, you can request to promote. And once you have been approved, you'll be able to find them within affiliate link section. And then you can start promoting them. So like this, you will be able to find all different vendors that you can explore and start promoting accordingly. That's up to you if you just want to promote PayKickstart or if you want to promote different vendors available at PayKickstart. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate opportunities provided by PayKickstart. You sign up for that and you start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate opportunities of PayKickstart. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. There are premium as well as free resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Click on any, get any that you prefer. Apart from it, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.